Hello everyone. My name is Priyanka Jain and I am excited to share our agentic solution on PR2PO process. Currently, the PR2PO process is in many procurement environments is fragmented and heavily reliant on manual intervention and human judgment. Firstly, when the PR request is received, then along with quotation documents are also received. Procurement staff spends significant time in validating quotes, recommend supplier in case quotes are not valid, and if quotes are valid then going for quotes recommendation to select the best quote out of it. This manual evaluation not only consumes time but also depends heavily on experienced personnel. Furthermore, after creating a PO, teams manually send acknowledgement emails to suppliers, track responses and send reminders if needed. Here at Accenture we have 70+ clients, 3,000+ FTEs, 1,000+ addressable FTEs with 40% productivity. There can be overall 400+ FTEs. With implementation of solution, it will increase automation scope, increase efficiency of operations, decrease in overall HT, and increase in touchless processing %. To address the challenges, we design an agentic automation solution using UiPath agents, creating an intelligent, end-to-end workflow for the PR2PO cycle. This is the higher-level flow segregated into 3 main sections. For the deployment of the solution, we have built multiple agents to keep the flow completely touchless. Quote validation agent, preferred and non-preferred supplier agent, quote recommender agent, and few more. Demo is based on 5 scenarios as displayed on screen, and below is the technology used. Now, we will proceed to the final tool demo.
Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Chaudhary. I am here to present the demo of UiPath Maestro that we have created for PR2PO process, that is procurement process. So here, let me start the process. So let the process started. Here what it is doing is, first we have a PR dump that is stored on the storage bucket, which it will download and it will take the PR list as a data table and starts processing those PRs. Now, as you can see, PR is available. It will pick the first PR and go for an amount check. Here we have created this demo for PR amount is greater than 10,000. Then if amount is greater than 10,000, then 2 quotes are required. We have 2 quotes received, so it is extracting the data from both the quotations. So here if you can see, it has extracted data from both the quotation. It has validated. Now it is moving us to the Quote Validator app. So if you can see here, a task has been created. We'll go to that task. The task has been assigned to me. Now it will show the details of the validation. It is showing like quotation 1 details are this, quotation 2 details are this, both the quotation are valid. You can proceed for code to PR validation. Then if you click on proceed, it has taken this proceed path. Now code recommendation will work where it will verify both the quotation with the PR details. Whichever quote is precisely matched the PR, it will recommend one of the quotation to proceed further. Here you can see it has created again another task for quote recommendation. We'll open the task. If you can see, it has extracted details from PR, quotation detail. It has given the conclusion as quotation 1 is not recommended. Reason for recommendation for quotation 2 is given. There are 2 buttons, approve and reject. Now, I'll approve it. As soon as I'll approve it, it starts moving to the approval flow here. Now it will move to the processor agent. What it will do is it will create the PO and send the PO copy to the supplier. It will send the email to the supplier. It will update data in the mail data file, where it will add PO number against the PR. It has created that updated data. Now I'll show you the mail. If you can see, mail has been sent just now to the supplier. Let the supplier reply to this. I am sending a reply to that mail manually from supplier's email. I have shared the reply. You can see in the inbox, we'll receive a reply from the supplier. If you go to the Maestro flow, it will check for the two conditions like if follow-up mail to be sent or for PO acknowledgement is received or not from the supplier. So basically it will wait for a few hours to check if a follow-up email need to be sent, the delivery date confirmation has been received from the supplier so that it will update the delivery date into the system. It is now checking for the triggering event. T is an intermediate triggering event which will trigger as soon as it will receive any email with a proper subject line, whatever is required. It is taking some time to detect the email. See, it has detected that mail has been received. It will update the delivery date for the particular PO that it has received in the email. I'll show you the email also. It has fetched the delivery date from the email body from supplier, and now it is updating the same into the file. So process has been completed. I will show you the email. This is the mail that we have shared, and this is the reply that we have received from the supplier like delivery date is this. Okay, now I'll show you one more thing. I'll open the storage bucket and show you the file. It has updated the file with the data against the selected PR number. So I'll open that file and see it has updated for the PR number. This PO has been created. PO mail has been sent at this time, and the mail we have received at this time with the delivery date at this time. This is our agentic process. This is the data that it has updated. Thank you so much.